Hi guys, it's Hannah, and today I'm going to be talking you through the new SmartCash Web Wallet. So the Web Wallet now has a new look. It's had kind of a Kardashian style glow up, a little bit like Kylie Jenner's face. Just in the way that it was really nice before, definitely very cute to look at. But now it's had a bit of work done and it really has taken the whole aesthetically pleasing thing to a whole other level. It's really easy to set up a web wallet account, so I'm not going to set up the whole thing from scratch today. If you do want a video on how to create an account, register for the first time, then I'm going to leave a link down in the description below because I have another video that will talk you through how to do that. But for today, let's jump into the new web wallet and let's just explore and get used to the new layout. Let's get logged in now. I'm just going to log into my demo account and then we'll take a look around. So now that we're in the main page, the overview section, you can see those 3 ready-made addresses that are there for you. And I really love the way that they've color-coded these to make them even easier to look at and play around with them. If you click on this little pencil on the side, it's super easy to rename your address if you have a specific goal in mind for it. So the yellow spending address is designed to be your day-to-day address where you'd be able to send funds either to friends or if you wanted to buy something. And then the pink and the green ones, those are designed to be your smart rewards addresses if you wanted to earn rewards by keeping at least 1,000 smart in there for at least 30 days. You click on the spending one, you can see that the spending one shows it's not a smart rewards address. If you click on the pink and the green, you can see that those are smart rewards addresses. The only real difference between a smart rewards address and one that is labeled as not being a smart rewards address is that if you try and send, so you're trying to make a withdrawal from one of your smart rewards addresses, it will give you a prompt to ask you if you're sure, because obviously if you make a withdrawal, you are going to be ineligible for rewards in that cycle. When we click send, I really like the way that the new send tab is set up. So it makes it super easy to choose the address that you want to send just by clicking through on the side there and making that selection. And my favorite thing about the SmartCash Web Wallet is that I can literally send just to a username. So I can just type in the username here of the person that I want to send to. I don't have to type in or, copy and paste that really long alphanumeric address. And then I would just pop in the amount of smart that I want to send to that person, type in my password, and it's literally as simple as that. It's going to take me to the transaction page now to show me that that transaction is clearing through. When you click on the receive tab, again, I really like the way that it's easy to change between the different addresses that you want to receive into. And one thing that I love about the new web wallet is the way that the new QR code looks. I think that it looks really pretty, so you would be able to give that code to someone if you wanted them to be able to send smart cash to you. The contacts tab also looks way nicer, and I think it's really easy to create a new contact just by clicking that button there, and then we can pop in that person's name and then just paste in that address. So that's a really handy feature to have if you've got somebody that you like to send to on a regular basis. So if I return to the send tab to try and send to my contact, you can see with the send options, you do have the option there of being able to send to the QR code if you wanted to. Otherwise, I can just click on this and then that will allow me to easily choose someone from my contacts. So I don't even have to, type in the username or copy and paste that alphanumeric address. Now, the best part of the new web wallet for me is the way that the voting tab looks. So it was cool that before with the old version of the web wallet you can vote in there, but this layout is definitely way more user friendly. So yeah, it's really easy to scroll through the different proposals that are currently open to be voted on. You can click view if you want to see more detail, more specifics about that proposal and try and make up your mind as to whether it's going to be a yes or a no vote. And then when you click on vote, it's really easy for you to select, do you want to be yes, do you want to be no, are you going to abstain? You just need to confirm your password, and then you just need to click vote. So yeah, it's really simple, really user-friendly. The voting system for me is probably the coolest thing about SmartCash. So I love that any user can just propose their idea and ask for funding for a particular project that they feel passionate about. And then everybody else in the SmartCash community has the power to vote as to whether they think, we should put funds from the community treasury towards that. So if the voting system is not something that you're really familiar with, then I do have another video about the Smart Hive. I'm going to leave a link down in the description for you below in case you want to check that out and get more information as to how to create a proposal and get funded. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Leave a like on this video and let me know in the comments down below what your favorite part of the new web wallet is.